Feeling mo ba lagi kang kapos, kulang sa pera, lakas, kalusugan o pag-asa? Listen, sa Bible malinaw ang pattern. God's supply is always greater than the demand. Sa Matthew 14, mahigit 5,000 people ang kailangang pakainin. Napakalaking demand, humanly impossible. Pero ano lang ang meron? 5 loaves and 2 fish. Maliit, kulang, insufficient. But when Jesus took it, He gave thanks, He blessed it, He broke it, and He distributed it. And what happened? Nabusog ang lahat. Walang nagkulang. May 12 baskets pang sobra. Meaning, hindi lang sapat ang supply ni Lord. Sobra-sobra. Ang demand malaki, pero mas malaki ang supply ni Jesus. At ganun din sa buhay mo ngayon, my friend. Kung kapos ka sa pera, may sakit ka, baon ka sa utang, o ubos ka na emotionally, remember this truth. God's supply is always greater than your need. Kaya sabi sa James 4:2, you do not have because you do not ask. When you pray, sinasabi mo, Lord, hindi ko na kaya, pero kaya mo. And that's where miracles begin. Believe in Jesus, the one whose supply never runs out and is always more than enough. Declare this with faith, my friend. The Lord's supply is greater than my need. I trust Him fully. Makinig ka lagi at magbasa ng Word of God. Check the recommended books in my profile showcase. Puno ng wisdom to fill your mind with good things. And subscribe to support our mission of spreading grace-based, Bible-rooted wisdom. God bless. Blessed to be a blessing.